Hi friends, what's up? Today I will explain how to connect single tube-bladed electromagnetic blaster and wiring diagram. I will explain clearly. Wiring diagram and single tube light installation with electromagnetic blaster. This is the topic today. Required wiring components. Tube light is not connected into the supply main directly, although your operator 230 volts and 58 some auxiliaries electrical components are used to insert this installation support tube light operational principles. This total electrical components in single tube light installation of the choke. It is electromagnetic blaster, electromagnetic starter, small neon glows up lamp switch wires. This is the diagram. Generally, this is the switchboard neutral and phase. It is coming on to two wires and the phase is cutted and to input given to switch one terminal. Another terminal is to view switch on. This is the connected. This both are. After that is the phase is transferred to choke one part and another part is the output to going to tube light filament. After filament is going to serial connection and output is coming into the starter input. After that starter input to go to output into tube light another side, another terminal. The neutral is continuously coming into terminal. After the switch on this tube light is flickering and given to the illuminated. Is how to install single light electronic blaster from the junction box is neutralized wires is not taken out of the switch box is rather taken out of from the junctions box. This live wire phase is taken to junction box to the switchboard and the live wire is connected to the terminals, other switches forming another terminal. The switch wire is carried up to the tube lights is up to and connected port one terminal. Choke blaster connected into both of this and another terminal connected to pin 1 to pin terminal 1. The one end of starter connected to 2 pin terminal and another one has the starter connected to pin 2 of terminal. Wiring diagram single tube light. Thanking you. Take down. Now I will remove this tube light. How to remove? This is the one end of this. This is one end of choke connector and this is another end of connector. This is kept this way and I put on the middle of both ends hands. I rotating anti-clockwise. You see this action. It is locked. I will remove this anti-clockwise. This connector is taken action. This taken action. I will gently take in this tube light outside. After that, I will remove this electrolytic magnetic choke screwdriver. I will connect this choke to wires. Now I will fix this choke two terminals tightly, gently. I will connect tube light and taken to insert the screws. The screws I will insert. I will rotate to lock clockwise. This tube light is locked. Now I will check this tube light is glowing or not. I connect the power supply this tube light. This tube light is glowing. This is the tube light problem.